A good office meets your needs. A great office does some of the heavy lifting, making it easier to block out distractions and providing design flexibility. It's important for the private office to be flexible, possibly having a space for one-on-ones and also a place for deep thinking. To be honest, the more comfortable an employee feels while they're at work, the more productive they're going to be. And if the employee is more productive, that just helps the company. The truth is that people may change before the furniture does. So you need solutions that are accessible to a wide range of folks, providing ergonomic support and design flexibility. Choose furniture with ergonomic adjustability that can fit a wide range of bodies. Connect with tech integrations. Make it easy to video conference and stay charged. If the space allows in a private office, we may be able to place a small round table with a couple seats for one-on-one meetings. And sometimes we'll put a credenza part behind the executive and they can have a deep down focus at that spot. Create opportunities for flexibility to maximize what can be achieved in the space. Ergonomics is more than just an adjustable chair. Ergonomic design gives professionals what they need to maintain deep focus for high priority work. One thing you need to keep in mind is where the electrical comes from the wall and the placement of the desk, and make sure that you have access to connectivity where your computer is going to be. If you have any questions, please look us up at nbf.com or give us a call.